You know we're here? We're here for the program from Musi to... From Musi to... From Musi to... So now let's give it up for Musi Boy! Everybody, okay, give them. Yes. 2, 3, 4. Okay now. 1, 2. Okay now. Let's go there. Okay.
And only in Nigeria you go buy product. The product, the expiry date, the always the future. I remember 2009, no be joke. I go one chemist shop, go buy provision. Yes, chemist shop, they sell provision. You never see chemist shop where they sell cassette too. I go chemist shop, go buy provision. I buy Milo. Someone just tell me, say, read the expiration date. I just turn them. I see year 2021. Will be expired by 2022. I call the guy, say, how far? Which kind of Milo be this? He said, oh, now, you don't see the, waiting the right for the body of Milo. I said, waiting the right. He said, see, energy food for future champions. Now, future food for future champions now. Also, Niger, also. I know we say Niger better pass Ukraine. Niger no better pass Ukraine in any way. Some people of you, they come here because they say, you know, they find green pastures. Niger get green pastures. We have everything. Even though nothing did this Ukraine. Nothing did. This place is now white land. We have everything. Now our government exploit things. Now everybody also. Now when you know say things don't bad. Now when you go know, why you know say things don't bad. Now when you go see what thing that they give God. If it's a sacrifice that they give God before when things they okay, you go see chicken, turkey, you go see bolly, you go see granite, you go see palm oil. To be God self go to sweet you. But nowadays, when things don't bad, reporting live from Abulegba T Junction. If it's what they give God, slimming tea. That means the gods they wash their weight. Things bad. And Nigeria, we have a lot of natural resources. We have water, we have agriculture, we have oil, we have gas, and we have Mushin Boy. But our government not sabi use them. Nigeria weather sweet. This Ukraine weather ash. I remember when I first come, this Ukraine weather is cold. First time in my life, I chilled peace. Sometimes my peace is a block. I gas my cover myself to almost satisfy my internal balance to release a more diffuse effluent. Oh, I don't know if you understand. Don't worry. For you. And ladies and gentlemen, if you come to this country, you know sabi the language. You go suffer me. No be joke. For 1 year, 1 good year, I dey use ketchup cook stew. I just say na tomato paste. For 1 good year, you get something they sell from magazine on a piece of yam in be like Cocoa Pops. I dey pick and wear. I dey chow am. I don't know say na dog food. I started notice say I dey dream say dog dey pursue me. I think say na my animal spirit. For you. And the language na very. Even that dog for here, that dog for this country, understand the language. They know they hear Niger Buski, but they know they hear Buski. They hear. It go time where we say me and my friend we dey go one blessing house. We go enter person compound. We just see one Ukrainian dog. We just look us like this. We speak. We say we dey find. No be this Pradesh we supposed to enter. We dey try explain. The dog no hear. Now until my friend come go translate say, please, Druk, Pasha Luster. Eta Pradesh Niet. Before the dog, and you know say that the first time translator never fuck up before. He can't go fuck up. He can't go translate to the dog. Say, we thieves come here. For you. And guys, when they date Ukrainian ladies, when they try. Guys, if they date white girl, Ukrainian girl for this country, might see your hands up. Guys, when they date white girls, might see you now. If you tell you they date white girl, might see your hand up. Man, I show I say on they hide. If they date white girl, when they try, they respect them. You know what it means to date a white girl? Okay, let's say you are toasting the girl. How you take the toast the girl? They go for the chat. They go type what they want type. Copy, go translator, paste, translate, copy them, go back to the chat, paste, translate. The guy will call reply. They'll call do waiting. Copy, Go back to the chat. Go back to translator. Paste. Can't do it. Translate. Can't do it again. Copy. Come back, go back to the chat. Paste. Some guys can't good for this kind of thing. They get like multiple tabs. They fast. Yeah? Did they try? Okay, last. Let's say the girl can't agree. The girl agree. Time to fuck. How do they communicate? How do they communicate? Okay, go be like breast. Ninada. Toto Arashu. It they hard. Or what if on they fuck? They get how you don't say they get enjoy if they cry for pain? Niet. Your father, your father. Niet. How you not understand? What if on they fight? How do they communicate? The guy go to fight you for money, you go to explain for food. Minya kidia dingy. I fucking place the food on the table. Kidia dingy. I fucking place it on the table. How you going to understand? Ladies and gentlemen, you know easy to organize show. And I'm really happy for you all coming here. I never imagined I'll be able to pull something like this. I remember after my junior work, when I lost my dad, I never thought anything could come out of my life. Seriously. I thought it was over for me. I never imagined myself coming to Ukraine. And here am I, I'm doing my first show. And I'm so thankful for my team. I'm thankful for everybody who worked tirelessly. Ejiro, Wisin, Debbie, Don Dada, Harrison, AY, Debbie, Shole, Titia. My baby. I love you. Thank you so much. Like, from the bottom of my heart, I say thank you, guys.
Body too correct. Oh no, Eddie man don't forget. Money go pay for, oh collect, oh wallet, oh wallet.